Good morning traders and welcome to the canting service. Today we're going to start with the EUR USD that currently is trading at the 106.85. The price during the start of the New York session, it did the wave 4 blue, and now we're expecting the continuation down. From the daily chart, as you can see, we are finding the top of the market in order to travel all the way down to the 103.54. This is a beautiful consolidation pattern as a flat for the wave 4. If you are learning the Elliott wave theory, this is a beautiful flat connector wave, we can say it like that, corrective wave for the wave 4. In terms of FIBO, the 50% was a retrace. It didn't get inside the previous wave 1, so let's see how it's going to develop during the session. So this is a beautiful trade that we are following. We catch the top of the market at the 107.75, and now the price went to the 106.57, more than 100 pips of opportunities to follow the move, especially after the wave 2 on the 107.65. all the way down to the 107.57. So it's working as expected, this beautiful setup on the EUR USD. That was one of the favorites for this week. What about the pound? The pound started its move down. We have the wave 1 magenta, and the price is starting the retrace for the ABC for the wave 2. The wave 2 is active, and we are going to expect the continuation to the upside after that. So this is going to be the plan, where we have these leg down for A, then the B and the C up. This is starting as expected. What about the Aussie? For the Aussie, we have a target at the 74.74. Of course, we are seeing that the price is trying to react at the 75.17. If the price doesn't make a 5-wave sequence up on the 15-minute chart and then a 3-wave sequence down, we will keep our idea to see the price at the 74.74 before any deeper move to the upside. What about the dollar yen? The dollar yen has been moving up. As expected, we have this A, B, and C up for the B wave green. The price it continues today a little bit higher. We are seeing a really strong USD. In case that we see the breakout of the 115.64, and this shows a completion of 5-wave sequence and then a 3-wave sequence down, we will expect that this low was the end of the whole wave 4. So we're validating that, but we are saying that the price is likely to create a new low. But we have to be ready for all the scenarios. If we have a market reversal here at B, the target will be the 112.60 again. After that, we expect some bullish divergence and the reversal for 4 in order to activate the 118.14 on the daily chart. So that will be the plan on the dollar yen. Well, the dollar CAD did the leg down as expected, the B wave. It's pretty strong, but now it's reversing. We have some concerns about this reversal. It doesn't look like a reversal yet. It looks more like a continuation, but for now we can focus on another leg up. Actually, here we can play around with the equality setup for this leg, and then we will see. For example, if I measure the first leg up and then I can project this to the upside, the target is the 131.60 area. So it's nice for day trade to follow this move up, and we will check again at those levels how it's behaving, because if we see the 5-wave sequence, that will be a beautiful confirmation for the end of the trend, the end of the move. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1. Then we will get A, B, C for 2. And as you know, that's one of our favorite setups to follow the move to the upside. What about the New Zealand? the New Zealand is trading a little bit choppy during the New York session. After the completion of the 5-wave sequence for the wave A, the B wave has started. We have a target around the 69.90, as you can remember, because that's the 70 area, 61.8% for the B wave, the golden ratio. But the S&P from the other side also make a pause during the last hours for the wave 4. Is getting ready to continue with the bullish move for the wave 3 magenta. Something similar is happening for the Dow. After this strong leg up for the wave 3, it's time for a small retrace. Some traders are going to start taking their profits, and that causes the wave 4. The wave 4 is likely to be sideways, to be complex, but the beauty about the wave 4 is that once it's over, we can validate the end with a simple reversal and then continue following the move up. Well, the Nasdaq is similar. It seems that the wave 4 is in progress, and then the continuation for the wave 3, our target on the Nasdaq for this wave 3 is actually here a little bit higher than 100%. There we go. 5246 area is going to be our target for the wave 3, because we know that the wave 3 is 100% of wave 1. What about German DAX? The German DAX, similar to the others, is creating this leg up, and gold is almost there at the target that we have set at the beginning of the week. Oh, actually the price already hit the target, 1144. 1144 was our target, and we are there, and we found the target at the end of the previous wave 5. So we were able to forecast this entire move down for the wave 4. It's a beautiful Elliott wave setup. And look at this. Now that we are close to the end of 4, a new leg up is expected. So the target is going to be at least again the 1222. Once we have a market reversal. A market reversal could be a 1 to 3 pattern, an inverted head and shoulders, a nice and clear and validated candlestick reversal pattern, and we can target the previous high. What about the oil? Oil is yesterday tried to break this consolidation. We have some concerns during this week because this was starting to look like a continuation bearish triangle, but we keep our bullish wave count, and this candle that was able to close above this level was a nice signal that the price was likely to continue. That's the breakout of the resistance that now is acting as support that will bring the price, once we have the continuation higher, to the target area. First of all, these highs around the 55.12, that is the previous high area, and then a little bit higher, like 50, 55, 56, 57 level to complete this wave X. So for now, let's focus on that. And what about the Russell? The index Russell is showing that the price was quite sideways during this leg, and then it started to react. We did an adjustment based on one of the comments of our subscribers about the wave 4. So we placed the wave 4 here, as you can see, and now it's exactly the same, the wave count, as the other indices. That is the report today, January the 27th. Thank you very much for your time. If you have questions or comments, please contact us. Have a great trading session, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.